Dim lights dancing on your skin, slowly pulling me within. Every breath you take is deep, like a promise you want to keep.
Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share an unboxing of my new bedside table with you. I've been searching for a perfect design for a quite while, and after looking at so many different options, I finally made my choice. They arrived as a pair. I'm really excited to show you what I picked. I hope you are really going to love them as much as I do. Let's open them together.
Lights dancing on your skin, slowly pulling me within. Every breath you take is deep, like a promise you wanna keep. Your fingers tracing every line, sending shivers down my spine. No rush, we got all night, lost inside this gentle high. Don't say a word, just let it flow. There's a language we both know. In the silence we confess everything we never said. Touch me softly, take your time. Let your love speak through your eyes.